Hello, childrens. Lesson number third: HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. Under this lesson, yesterday I taught you how to find out the prime factors of numbers. Okay, and I told you to solve the practice set number 11. Okay, once you understand how to find out the factors, then it is easy for you how to find the GCD, means only LCF. The GCD's long form is the greatest common divisor, and GCD means only, here or is written. HCF means highest common factor. HCF, the both meaning is same. In exam, if they ask you find the GCD of following number, then you have to find out HCF and find the HCF. If they told you, then also you have to find out the HCF. The meaning of HCF is the highest common factor and means only greatest common divisor. Now we are familiar with the HCF and LCM of positive integers. Okay, we familiar with this. Let us learn some more about the HCF and GCD or the GCD of given numbers. Is their greatest common divisor or a factor. So in each of the following examples, write the factors of the numbers and find the greatest common divisor. Okay, so first of all, first question is the we have to find out the 28 and 42's factors, and greatest common we have to find from this. Okay, so here 24 and 48, no, 28 and 42, 28 and 42. So 28 and here it is 42. Use any method. I am using this method of factorization. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14, and 7 ones are 7. Okay, here 42 means 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. This number is divisible by 7, and then 3 ones are 3. So the 28th factor we find it here are, factors of 28 are 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, and 42's factors are 2 into 7 into 3. Okay, now the highest common factor means common factor. Let us find first of all common factor. So which are the common factors inside it? If you see here, you will notice that the 2 is common in them. Okay, and another number is 7 is common in them. Okay, into 7. So the common factors are 2 and 7, 2 into 7, and 2 into 7 means what? It is 14. Okay, 2 sevens are 14. So the common, so in this way, just note down this. Okay, here what we get it here, that is the 14, we got it here. Okay, now note down this. Here what they told you, which is the greatest common divisor. So the greatest common divisor is the 17, 14. 14 twos are 28 and 14 threes are 42. Means these two numbers are present in 40's table. 51 and 27. 51 and 27. If you see this, if you find the factors of this, okay, common divisor we have to find out. So 51 and 27 is present in which hold on 1 minute. So if we find the factors, you will notice that 51 and 20. So here 51 and 27, these both numbers are divisible by 3, are divisible by 3. If we find the factors of this 51 and 27, so first of all, both numbers are divisible by which number? That is the 3, because its sum is 6, 5 plus 1 6 and 2 plus 1 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3 remains 2, you have to take in front of this 2. Okay, and then here remain 2 remains, so 21. 7 3 is 3 7 is 21. 17 is prime number, so 17 ones are 17. Okay, so the factors of 51 are 3 into 17. 17 3s are 51. Here 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so here 21's prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3. So which is the common divisor here? That is the 3. 3 is the common divisor for this both. Okay, now so note down that also. And at last 3 numbers are here: 25, 15 and 35. 25, 15 and the 35. 25, 15 and 35. So first of all 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, 15's factors are 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Here 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. So if you find the right here factors, 25 means what? 5 5s are 25. 15 means what? 3 5s are 15. And 35 means 7 5s are 35. So if you see here, there is a one common number inside it, that is 5, and 5 is the common divisor for this number. The common divisor means, I shown you by factorization method, but common divisors means all numbers are divisible by, means if this gave this example of first one, 28 and 42 both are divisible by, we seen that is the 14. Okay, 14 is the common divisor for this. For this 3 is the common divisor, and for this 5 is the common divisor for this. Once you understand how to find out the prime factors, it is easy for you to find the HCF of the numbers. So here question is that what is the HCF of 24 and 32? It is very easy once you understand to find the factors. So let us solve this example, 24 and 32. So I will take here 24 and 32. So 24's factor, let us find the 24's factor. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, then 2 3s are 6, and then 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 24's factors are 2 into 2 into, so factors of 24 are, prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now 32's factor we will find. 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, take it in front of 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So the factors of 32 are 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 times 2. Okay, 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So my factors are correct. Now we have to find out the common factors from common factors. So here which are the common factors? First is 2. 2 is the first common factor. Then another one more 2 is there, and here one more 2 is there. So here total 3 common factors are 2 into 2 into 2. So we have to note down here common factors. Okay, and remaining inside, in one inside 3 and another inside 2 into 2. So these nothing is common inside it, that's why just only 2 into 2 into 2. And the next step is the HCF is equals to the multiplication of common factors, that is a 2 into 2 into 2, means 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8 is the HCF. Yes, isn't it easy? Yes. So you have to find the HCF of number by using this method. Okay, so that only given here, I will show you in textbook it is given. See here, see 24's factors, they find it here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is the 24's common 24's prime factors. 32's prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so and from this we have to find out the common factor, that is the how many 2's are common here. 3 2's are common, and the multiplication of this common factor is the HCF of the given numbers. Anybody have any doubt in this, then you just ask me. Okay, then we will see the next example. If I have to find out the factors HCF of 195, 200, 312 and 446. Okay, so first of all we have to find out the prime factors of 195. Okay, one by one I will show you how to find out the prime factor of 195. So 195. Okay, if you apply the 2's divisibility test, this number is not divisible by 2 because 5 is here. If 5 is there, we can apply directly 5's test. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 19 minus 15 remains how much? 4. So we have to take 4 here. Okay, and 5 9s are 45. Okay, 39 is divisible by 13. 13 3s are 39. And then 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factors of 195? 5 into 13 into 3. So here it is written 5 into 13 into 3. 3 means only if you directly written, then also no problem. Okay, 195 means I taught you this method also to you. Okay, 195 means what? That is the 39 into 5. 5 is a prime number, right here as it is, and 39 means what? 13 3s are 39. Just I shown you that method, use rough work inside do, and then you written this, then also okay. Now we will find out the 312's factor. So 312 is equals to, this number is divisible by 2 because unit place 2 is there. So 2 1s are 2, 1 remain. So 11 is there here, 2 5s are 10. Again from 11 minus 10, 1 remain, 2 6s are 12. Okay, so then 2 7s are 14, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16. Okay, then 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, and then 13 3s are 39 and 3 1s are 3. So the factors are 3 times 2 39 3, 3 times 2 39 3. If you say 3 times 2 3 and 13. So another method is here given, that is you just find the prime factors of another method, that is the 4 into 78. 4 means what? 2 2s are 4. 78 means 39 2s are. So 2 2s are 2 2 2. These are the prime numbers right here as it is, and 39 means 13 3s are. So these are the prime factors of 312. That is 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 and into 13. The next is the 546. So big numbers are coming, that time what happens? To find out such a numbers is problematic. So better you just write find in this way. You just find the prime factors in this way. 546. So this number is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 7s are 14 and 2 3s are 6. If you see here 273 and 2, these 2's multiplication here it is hit came. Now these numbers are divisible by suppose 3, because sum of these is 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So here 3 9s are 27 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, now 13 3s are 13 1s are 13 3s are 13 7s are 91 and 7 1s are 7. If you see the factors are 2 3 7 and 13. So the prime factors of 546 means if big number will come and it is difficult for you to find which are the factors, just use this method and write these prime factors in this way, no problem. If you done this method rough work inside and written factors, then also no problem. Okay, now inside it we have to find out the common factors. So which are the common factors here? 3 and 13, 3 and 13 and 3 and 13, 3 and 13. So 13 threes are 39 is the HCF of the above numbers. Understood? Then the one more question we will see. We have to find out the HCF of which numbers? 10, 15 and 12. 10, 15, 12. So you know the tens factor. 10 means what? 5 2s are 10. 15 means what? These are easy numbers. So directly you can write it here. 3 5s are 15. And 12 means what? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Means 4 into 3. Now if you see here, you will notice that nothing is common here. Here 2 is present, but here it is not present. Here it is present. 3 inside. So 2 is not a common factor for this 3. 5 is present here and here, but it is not present at this place. 3 is present in 15 and 15's factor and the 12's factor, but it is absent in the 10's factor. So such a time it is there. That time there is a no common number in them. Then except 1 is 1. Then such a type of numbers HCF is 1. Understand? If nothing is common, what is common inside it? 1 is common. And that's why HCF of these numbers means 10, 15, 12 is 1. Okay? Then here HCF of we have to find out 16, 12 and 36. Okay? So how to find 16, 12 and 36? So I will show both the methods 16, 12 and 30. 16, 12 and 36. 60, 12 and 36. 60, 12 and 36. Okay? So 60, 12 and 36. 60's factors are, which are the factors? 60's 12 5s are 60. Okay? Means only 4, 2 in 12 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5, 60. 12's factors are 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 36 factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay? Why I wrote this? If you see here, these all numbers are present in 12's table. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36 and 12 5s are 60. That's why directly I fastly written here 2 into 2 into 3 because the multiplication of this is a 3 and 12 5s are 60. Instead of this, if you write it in this way, 60 means what? 12 into 12 5s are 60. 60 means 12 5s are 60. 12 means 12 1s are 12. 36 means 12 3s are 36. So here 12 is equals to 12 into 1 and 36 is equal to 12 into 3. So the common factor is the 12 and 12 is the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. Understood? So in this way you can find the HCF of the given numbers. And one more method is given how to solve this example by using this method. That also I tell you that I taught you now. Now this 60, 12 and 36. 60, 12, 36. At first I taught you how to find the separate factors of this and then you combine it. But now if 3 numbers also we can do the directly. Okay. If you see here, you will notice that these all numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. 2 1s are 2. Then 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 2 8s are 16. Directly all numbers are divisible by 2. So directly divide this with the 2. Now here again these all numbers are divisible by 2. Reason behind it, it is 0. Unit place numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 1s are 2 here for 30. 2 1s are 2, remains 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. Okay. Now these all numbers are again divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now you stop here. Why? Because 5 and 3 are not divisible by any number. Now now you can write the directly HCF of this number. How to write? Now write here HCF is equals to HCF of HCF of 60, 12, 36 is equals to how much? Common numbers only we taken here. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So that is also one of the method to find the HCF. directly write the three numbers, and the three numbers are divisible by which number. Okay, that only numbers you have to take here, and you will get the HCF of the given number. Okay, so today I taught you how to solve the find out the HCF of the numbers by three methods. I taught you this one method. Okay, one method is this, another is 1 2, and one more method I taught you, that is this. You can use any method and find the HCF of the numbers. So, and this division method I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, because it is very the little bit hard. Okay, so today's your homework is you have to find practice set numbers HCF. First question you are going to solve. Okay, use any method, no problem, and solve. And second question tomorrow, if I will teaching over, then you have to solve. So today we will stop here only. So complete your homework, that is practice set number 12. So all of you, thank you and goodbye.